Welcome everyone, let's me show you combination of 3 functions that you can use to determine top 5 and last 5 values in your data. In a previous video, I had shown how to use sum product function to calculate aggregates and rank function to determine standing. Click on the pop-up banner for that video. Subscribe for nifty Excel hacks and many more interesting videos. There is a very useful function in Excel, called large. You can use it to determine which value is at 5th position, for example. Similarly, you can use the small function to determine which value lies at which position compared to the smallest value in a given list. As we are interested in top 5 values and last 5 values, therefore, I am using both the functions to determine the 5th largest and 5th smallest value. Now, filter function is another powerful function that can be used to reduce a given list of data based on some criteria. Here our criteria is to find out all the individuals who have aggregates greater than or equal to the 5th largest value. So select the complete array, then press comma, then select the aggregates and give the condition of greater than or equal to the 5th largest value. Building on the same example, we can also find out the last 5 values. This time give filter function to enlist all the individuals with aggregates that are lesser than or equal to the 5th smallest value. It is worth noting here that the last value of the top 5 values is equal to the 5th largest aggregate and first value of the last 5 values is equal to the 5th smallest value. Thus, we can be sure that the function has been applied correctly. You see here that, while top 5 and last 5 individuals have been determined, they are not in order and you will have to identify them manually. Here, sort function will come in handy. Click on the pop-up banner to see another useful video on sort function. In this case, I need to rearrange my data in descending order, so that largest aggregate is at the top while the smallest is at the bottom. So type in sort, then select the filtered array. Then tell sort function to rearrange data according to aggregates. Here Excel determines this by columns, so select the column according to which you need to rearrange data. Now for ascending order type 1 or -1 for descending order. So there you have it. You can also opt for applying these 3 functions together, which will save you a lot of space and make your data look more professional. Remember to apply the 3 functions together exactly as being shown here. I recommend you to open an Excel file and follow along, it will be much beneficial. Notice that the values that we found by applying functions separately exactly match with the values found by applying all the functions together. Also, ensure that while finding last 5 values use small function and while finding top 5 values use large function. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more.